Pacific has got a great heritage. It's a 66-year-old company. It's been highly successful with floor machines and cord electric burnishers and products like that. But I like to think about, with respect to Pacific, is I want to almost think of us as a startup. And the reason why I want to think of us that way is I think I want the idea of that to be agile, entrepreneurial, and I really want us to be thinking about how do we focus on this target market just like a startup would. When I think about purpose-built, I think about the fact that we can apply it internally to the company as well as externally. So starting with externally, I think about it as we've got a purposely built industry experience team.
We are purposely creating a multi-year roadmap to provide the right products that the contractors need.
Now, as for how we look at purpose-built from an internal perspective, it really gives us a battle cry internally. It gives something for everybody to kind of look to and apply it to their various roles in the company. So, first of all, purpose-built can always be an aspiration for the future, and that's how we look at it.
Internally, it's much more about our people, our manufacturing. So anything from our processes, everything is purposely built to provide the quality, the leadership, the skill sets for building our products, for putting together our sales collateral, our marketing collateral. It's all purpose-built.
The other great thing about this from an internal perspective is that we can take that and use that in terms of how do we internalize that ourselves, and you can apply that in your daily work. The one thing that we know for sure is without a brand or a tagline that we live internally, we know that we'll fail in the marketplace. But one of the other things that I think about is just because we're relaunching our brand doesn't mean we're there. I don't want us to come out to the marketplace and say, hey, we've solved it, we're there, we're perfect on every front, because that's not the case. And what I do want to communicate to the marketplace is we are heading in this direction. We really want to build our company in this direction. And I'd really encourage our customers and our distributor partners to come alongside us and help us. One of the things that we receive a lot is good, candid feedback. So I'm going to look forward to that. I'm going to look forward to continuing to hear that kind of feedback, making sure that we're listening and employing that as we continue to grow in the future. Everything that we do contributes to the success of the local BSC, and that's what we're really focused on. And so we really want to make sure that our 1,000 small gestures are really focused towards making that experience the right one. We think that we have empathy with these smaller local BSCs. People wear a lot of hats in these local BSCs, and we want to provide them the right products at the right price so that they can do their job effectively with as little hassle as possible.
The primary reason we're focused on local BSCs is we feel it's an area that's really not being hit by the others, and an area that we feel we can do extremely well.
Are we going to be everything to everyone? Not at all. We are going to be very focused on what North America-based BSCs need, and we're also going to be focused on the products that we think that we can do well. First and foremost, one of the reasons why I came to Pacific is the fact that the leadership at Pacific was ready to invest. They're ready to invest in a new future at Pacific, and that means really specifically we're looking to revamp the entire product portfolio in the next 3 to 5 years. Not one product that we have today will be untouched. So it will be either replaced or enhanced in the next 3 to 5 years. A 20-inch auto scrubber is just a cornerstone product for these local contractors. It's a key piece of their toolbox. Pacific is bringing out the new S20 scrubber, and the reason why I'm so excited about this product, and I think the market will really receive this product so well, is it has Tier 1 specifications at a very affordable price. But let me dive in a little bit into what do I mean by Tier 1 specifications. The front scrub deck has a 3/4 horsepower motor. It is revolving at 230 RPM, and it delivers 90 to 100 pounds of down pressure. So you combine that with the fact that we're going to have virtually 100% water recovery, the fact that it's 68 decibels or less, You're going to be able to clean on your own schedule. There's just a lot of things that this product delivers. And then the fact that we've got a couple different versions I think is also really exciting. We've got a disc version for the daily scrubbing and the project work that you might want to do with a 20-inch scrubber, and we also have a square orbital motion scrub head as well for chemical-free finish removal. We're just extremely excited about that particular component because we really studied the dynamics of orbital motion, and we really put engineering rigor to this. So chemical-free finish removal, we have daily scrubbing. It just has a lot of options, this new machine, for the local BSC.
Our principal designer has over 10 years designing scrubbers, and he always wanted to make a great scrubber, and he always felt like he was being held back a little bit from making the perfect scrubber. Well, this scrubber he was able to do completely the way he wanted to, but it's a tremendous scrubber and we're extremely proud of it.
Who are we trying to serve? What are we trying to be? And I think as we move forward in our evolution as a company, we want to have that kind of idea, and we really want to build Pacific around this target market, around the brand and the kind of brand promise that we want to bring to the marketplace. And I think having that kind of idea in your head, and it is very important to deliver that.